Welcome back everyone. You may be experiencing some issues when it comes down to your Xbox party chat not working. Now this can happen for a lot of different reasons, but recently there's been a lot of problems on Microsoft's end. So it may not even be a problem on your specific device, or you might think it's just your Xbox, but it's not. It may just be a widespread issue on all Microsoft Xbox consoles. So the best thing you can do is either check on Microsoft Xbox's Twitter, check on Microsoft's Twitter, check on what's trending on Twitter and all this other stuff, and even type it in on Google, is Xbox, party down? And sometimes the servers on Xbox's side are down and there's really nothing you can do to fix it. So you'll pretty much just have to wait until they fix it. And typically they do push out some tweets, or they push out something that'll typically say, oh, this is now fixed, so you don't have to worry about it anymore. And you can pretty much just move on with your day and then go ahead and try to reconnect and then go ahead and see if your chat is working and all that stuff. Now, if for some reason that isn't working or that doesn't seem to be the problem, the best thing you can do is actually go ahead and see if your network that you're connected to is a strong, reliable network. There's been cases before where sometimes you might be, perfectly fine, everything might be good, but the network you're connected to might be extremely slow. So the best thing you can do in this situation is to actually kind of disconnect yourself from the, network. So go into your Xbox settings, disconnect yourself from the network, and then what you want to do is go back into the Xbox settings and reconnect to those specific networks. If everything is good, then you should probably end up seeing your chat working. You can try speaking, and typically this should end up fixing the problem. If that still doesn't end up fixing the problem, what you can do is totally boot off your Xbox console and try to go back into it. So power off your Xbox console completely, wait a couple of seconds, maybe even a couple of minutes, and then power on the Xbox console again. And typically you should go ahead and see that it should be working at this point. Typically, a reset will end up fixing a lot more things than what a lot of people may actually assume. So reset your console, just power it on, power it back off, and then power it back on. And that should probably end up fixing the issue here. Now, if that still really doesn't end up fixing the problem, the next thing you can do is just update your Xbox console if there is an update available. Sometimes your Xbox console may be on a super outdated version of the software. So your best bet is to actually update the console and, typically wait a couple more minutes after the console has been updated and then go into the game, try to go back into the party chat and see if it's actually working here again. Typically, as I stated before, it should end up fixing it, but if not, I'd recommend rewatching this video, go through the troubleshooting techniques again, and that should end up fixing the issues at the end of the day. So that really pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.